Do you want to see Iwo Jima? What's up, everyone? My name is Scott. I work on cruise ships. Welcome to Iwo Jima. After leaving the chance to see Iwo Jima, it leaves you feeling kind of heavy. It's a pretty serious situation, of course, that happens. We all know what happened in Iwo Jima, but you can even see from the ship, you can see the wrecks on the beach from people when they landed there years ago. Now, of course, it's a memorial, and it's occupied, of course, by the Japanese. But it's a pretty heavy feeling place. And I'm glad I had a chance to take a look and see it with my own eyes.